Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. And today is one of those days where I gotta pick up my daughter at the airport. And it's a 180 kilometer trip each way. So a round trip of 360 kilometers. So why not try to make this a little bit exciting? So I'm taking the go bag I showed in my last episode. You can find it up here. And I'm going to do 2 Parks on the Air activations today. Probably not mobile. Depends how close to the activation zone and hopefully within the activation zone I can get in a vehicle. If not, I'm going to do it portable. I got equipment for both. So please hang on while I do a little bit of driving, and I'll see you in a little while at the first park. Okay, I'm set up at the first park. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna check for some park to parks on 20 meters though, because that's the only band I have available. So let's do that first and see if there are any stations I can hear on 20 meter, and then move on to calling some CQ. Okay, there's a strange error going on with my 817 here. So I guess I will not be doing the activation with sideband. Let me show you. And if any of you guys have seen this before, please let me know in the comments. Oh, and I guess the error stopped now, so let's check it out and see if we can make it on sideband anyway.
The park, isn't it, Morton? Go ahead.
Roger, roger. This is our first park to park, and I'm doing a recording for YouTube as well here, Stuart. You're 5 and 8, 58 here in southern Norway, over.
Yeah, you're 5 and 8, 5 and 9 here on the beach. A place called Hailing Island, which is just east of Portsmouth, where I usually am on the radio from. But it's a beautiful sunny day, as I suspect it is with you as well, because I think all of Europe has got good weather this weekend, over.
Roger, roger. It's a bit windy here and a bit chilly, but it's almost blue sky, so that's good. What's your park reference there, Stuart, over?
Yeah, there are 2 parks. It's Golf 0308 and Golf 0056, over.
Golf 0308, QSL?
Yep, roger, that's the first park, and the second park is Golf 0056, over.
0056, QSL. My reference is Lima Alpha 0274, QSL.
Roger, 0274. Thank you very much for the park to park. I'm glad we managed to get it in, because I'm going to head up to 10 meters fairly soon, and I suspect the skip up there won't be short enough to get you in Norway, but you're booming in here on 20, over.
Roger, roger. Yeah, I only got an antenna for 20 today, and I got to do this pretty quick because I got to pick up my daughter at the airport. So glad to make the QSO, and hope to see you again on the band, Stuart. 7-3.
Yep, 7-3 Morton. Enjoy the rest of your activation. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, M0 TTQ. 7-3.
7-3. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ for Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the Air for Park Lima Alpha 0274. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the Air for Park Lima Alpha 0274. Listening for any calls. 5 and 9, 59 here in southern Norway, QSL.
Okay, thank you. 5-5 in Spain. Thank you so much for activation. Thank you for the new park. 73.
73. QRZ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
Sierra Papa 8, Quebec Charlie Portable.
Sierra Papa 8, Quebec Charlie Portable. QSL.
QSL, park to park, park to park. Hello Morten, report for you 5 by 7. 5 by 7, my reference is Sierra Papa 0238. 0238, Roger.
Sierra Papa 0238 QSL.
Number 0, number 2, number 3, number 8.
QSL, you are also 5 and 7 here in southern Norway, and thank you for getting back to me, Andre. 7-3, and good luck with your activation there.
Please give me again in my report.
5 and 7, 57, 5 and 7, 57, QSL.
QSL. Thank you for park to park. Morton, 7-3, bye-bye.
Delta Golf 9, Mike, Alpha, Quebec, mobile.
Delta Golf 9, and I didn't get your suffix there. Could you please give me your suffix again?
Okay, my call sign is Delta Germany 9, Mexico, Alpha, Quebec, stroke mobile, roger?
Roger. Delta Golf 9, Mike Alpha Quebec, stroke mobile. You are in 5 and 8, 58 here in southern Norway.
Thanks very much indeed. Germany 7, Sierra, Quebec Whiskey Portugal.
Park to park.
The park to park station.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Thanks very much. Thanks to the YouTube channel as well. Nice to work here. You're 5 and 7, 57, roger?
Thank you for the 5 and 7. You are 5 and 8 here in southern Norway. What's your park number there, Andy? Over.
Yes, I'm in 3 different references. My flora and fauna is Golf Fox 0272, 272. The castle is Golf Stroke 00203. And parks on the air, Golf Stroke 0328. 328, roger?
Thank you for the 0328 for parks on the air. My park reference for parks on the air is Lima Alpha, 0274, QSL.
274, fantastic, that's great. I think you're my first Lima Alpha parks on the air number, so that's fantastic. Thanks very much indeed, and we're about 150 kilometres northeast of London, just on the North Sea coast, roger?
Roger. Yeah, I'm in southern Norway, about 100 kilometers southeast of Oslo, and keep an eye out on my YouTube channel. This QSO will probably be there, 7-3.
Yeah, 7-3, that's great, and nice to work here today. Enjoy your activations, and we'll catch you further down. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 7-3.
Lima Bravo, the Lima Bravo station? Just the Lima Bravo again. The Lima Bravo again.
I was KD1CT hoping to work the Lima Bravo.
Oh, I do apologise. I'll stand by. Give him a call. I'll stand by.
I don't know if he's still on frequency. Lima Bravo 0, are you on frequency?
QSL, I'm on frequency. What's your call sign there?
Kilowatt Delta 1, Charlie Tango. Kilowatt Delta 1, Charlie Tango. You're 5 and 7, 57, over.
Roger, Kilo Delta 1 Charlie Tango. Thank you for the 57. You're a 5 and 8 here in southern Norway, and that's amazing. From New Hampshire to southern Norway with a 5 and 8. Do you need my park reference there? Over.
I do, please.
It is Lima Alpha 0274 QSL.
Roger, 274. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And thank you very much, Andy, for letting me interrupt.
Thank you for the QSL, and good luck with your activation, Andy.
7-3.
7-3 to both.
Thank you very much, and thanks very much, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Thank you again, 7-3. Bye-bye.
Park 1 activated. Took a little bit longer than anticipated. I had some radio issues and some SWR issues. Managed to sort them all out. Unfortunately, the radio display started blinking and the radio wouldn't transmit. But after a few power cycles, it all worked out. So as I said earlier, if any of you guys have seen this error before, please do let me know down in the comments. I'm about to pack up and go to park number 2, but just let us have a look at my my QSOs today. I had 10 QSOs, several park to parks, and the first one was New Hampshire in the United States, actually. So I'm happy with that, and hope to see you again at my next park today. All set up at park number 2. And this is actually a nature preserve just close to rest stop. And according to the map, if you're parked at one edge of the rest stop, you're within the activation zone. So that's what I'm doing. It's not the most beautiful place in the world. It is a place where truckers park and people drop cars off. It's not necessarily the place I want to be staying outside with all my gear. So I'm activating from the car with the MFJ 1979 on the top of the car. I do have some SWR issues with the antenna today, but nothing that a tuner can't handle. So I'm going to try to hunt for some park-to-parks, and then I'm going to do the activation by calling CQ, and hopefully I'll get this activation done as well. It doesn't look like there are any park-to-parks to hunt, so I'm going to find a frequency and start calling. This is frequency in use. This is frequency in use. CQ for parks on the air. CQ for parks on the air. CQ parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 1558.
Mike 0, Mike November.
Mike 0. Mike November. Good afternoon there. You're 5-9 here in southern Norway, QSL.
Yes, QSL, you're also 5-9 here into central Scotland. The name here is Elias, and thanks for your activation there today.
Thank you for coming back to me, 7-3, and enjoy the afternoon.
Yep, thanks again. Take care, 7-3.
CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 1558.
Papa Delta 4, Uniform Sierra.
Papa Delta 4 Uniform Sierra. Good afternoon. You're 5-8 here in Norway. Over.
QSL, this is Papa Delta 4, Uniform Sierra. You're 5-5, 55, over.
Thank you for the 5-5. Thank you for the 5-5, and thank you for helping me activating 7-3, and enjoy the afternoon.
Good activation. Have fun.
QRZ for parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Okay, park number 2 done, not activated, but I'm running out of time. So I have to pack up and drive to the airport right now. Still, I managed 4 contacts here. Scotland, Germany, and Spain, as far as I think. I'll put the map up somewhere here so you can check out the map and the QSOs. Anyway, I'm not going to cry too much for not being able to activate. I activated this park 3 days ago on FT8. So that's life, and that's mobile and portable activating. But I've tested my portable go bag, and that works like a charm. Been able to set up and tear down for 2 parks on the air activations today with no issues at all. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, please do like and subscribe, and please do comment. I love the comments. I try to reply to every comment I get. And until next time, 7-3.